All. Let's start today with a new conditional statement that is a switch statement. So how does a switch statement works like? Let us start with it. Now, what is the syntax of switch and how do we write switch case? Let us see this thing. Now, why does we require this switch conditional statement? We have already seen if else statement and nested if and all. Now, when we are using if else statement, if there are large number of conditions, remember when there are large number of conditions, means options are many much that what to do when this will happen, what to do when this will happen. The program become very cumbersome when we use if else. So another alternative of if else is switch case. So another alternative is switch case. So what is the syntax of switch cases? We write switch switch, and within this switch we write the condition, and then we put curly brace, and for every condition there is a case, then we write case, and then value possible values of that condition. For example, if I say that possible values are 1 2 3, so I will write case 1, then colon, then what should happen if case 1 is true? We will write a statement over here. Then case 2 colon, then the statement for case 2, then case 3 colon, and then we will close this switch statement, switch block. So this is a sample of that how do we write switch case. Now to go in more depth, there are certain things. What are those certain things? That what is this condition? ये condition होती क्या है? So remember that this condition can be a integer variable or a character variable. It can only be an integer variable or a character variable, or it can be any expression which is evaluating to either an integer or a character. It cannot be float or string. It cannot be float or string. For floating point numbers, we cannot have any floating point number over here. It can either be an integer variable or a character variable. Remember, a variable, not a constant, because for a constant then there is no sense. Now what does it means? For example, let us see it with the help of an example to understand it more clearly. Let us see a small example. For example, I say that I is equals to 5 int I. I'm not taking any input from the user, just to understand it, and switch I. So I will put a switch on the value of I, and then I will make different cases over here. Case 1 for something, and let's make only two case, and case 5. For case 1 I say printf x, and for case 5 I say printf y. So how does this switch statement works? To understand this thing, a variable is being assigned and I is a variable which is being given a value 5. This switch statement takes this variable I and it checks the value of this I with these cases. It checks the value of this I with this cases. If it is 1, if value of I is 1, it will do this. If the value of I is 5, it will do this. So remember this thing, that switch is applied only for either an integer variable or a character variable. So if it is applied only for integer and character variable, then these cases, this case, it can have over here either an integer constant or a character constant. It cannot have anything else. Remember that in case we can have an integer constant or a character constant. Unlike if, जैसे if में आप we could have write a is less than b is less than 5. In case we cannot write like this. This is an error. We cannot like this. ये error है. we cannot write any condition in case like this. We have to give a constant value in a case, 1 point. So remember, it is applied for an integer or a character, and we have to give a single constant value. Another very important thing is, for example, let's write a simple program int I, and we take a input from the user for an I value, whatever the user wish to give, and we put a switch on this I. We will put curly brace because there is more than one case, and we say case 1 printf something, case 2 printf something else, and we put an and over here, and over here we say it is printf x, and over here it is printf y. Now suppose, let us assume that the value of I is equals to 1. Now what will happen in this program if the value of I is equals to 1? Switch I, it will check with this case. The case will become true. It will become true. So it will print X. We expect that the output should be X, but actually the output comes XY. XY. Why does this output comes XY? What happened? Because by default, in switch case, remember this thing, when a case is becomes true, I is equals to 1, case becomes true, it executes all the cases below. जितने भी केस ट्रू मिलने के बाद मिलेंगे वो सबको एग्जीक्यूट कर देता है, वो सबको एग्जीक्यूट कर देता है। तो ये तो फ्लॉ हो गया, आंसर एक्स आना चाहिए था पर एक्स वाई आ गया। तो इस चीज से बचने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, हर केस के बाद एक ब्रेक लगाना पड़ता है, हर केस के बाद एक ब्रेक लगाना पड़ता है, ताकि जैसे ही ट्रू मिल जाए, ये केस ट्रू हो जाए, ब्रेक होके वो स्विच के बाहर आ जाए, स्विच के बाहर आ जाए और स्विच के बाद फिर नॉर्मल एग्जीक्यूशन प्रोग्राम का चलता रहे। नाउ देयर आर अदर थिंग्स लाइक डिफॉल्ट एंड ऑल which you will be learning and seeing in the next video, where we'll be making a switch case program and seeing how and see how this switch case actually work.